My name's Grant Dunstan. I'm with Staltari Mechanical. We're a plumbing and heating company up in Canada. And I've been in the industry since 2007. Predominantly now what we do is we do big custom luxury homes. The reliability of the product is there, especially recently where we've been dealing with larger projects and we've had to deal with a lot of rainfall coming in. The engineering team has kind of helped us size some of the products that we put in. And yeah, we haven't had much issues with the quality. Yes, the ProVore. Yeah, we do the duplex ProVore grinder pump systems. And when we did the demo, and you can see like how well it works and it doesn't jam. I haven't gotten a lot of failures with the Liberty pumps. Anytime there's been an issue, it's always been site conditions versus some of the other pump manufacturers that we've had issues, electrical issues. What stood out the most was when we went into the engineering just now, and it really stood out because the ProVore pumps that we've been installing, they actually had it at eye level, and we were able to put everything into it, and it was awesome because you could see it ground up everything that went in. Oh, it's great. It's one of the reasons that we really like it is that it's, the factory is only a 2-hour drive from, where we're installing all the products, and it's nice to see that where it's being made.